8 reasons why you should eat eggs every day. Eggs have been incorporated into human diets since ancient times, and their enduring popularity can be attributed to several compelling factors. Not only do eggs provide diverse culinary options, such as hard-boiled, scrambled, deviled, and omelets, but they also offer a wealth of essential nutrients, including calcium, proteins, vitamins, and more. However, their benefits extend beyond mere nutritional value. The phrase, "an egg a day keeps the doctor away," is not a mere saying, it is supported by scientific evidence. Here are several reasons why consuming an egg daily is highly advantageous. 1. A rich source of nutrients. Despite their small size, eggs are densely packed with essential nutrients, positioning them as a crucial component of balanced meals. Scientific studies reveal that a single boiled egg comprises 77 calories and an array of vital nutrients, including vitamins B12, B5, B6, A, E, and K, as well as phosphorus, folate, calcium, selenium, protein, 6 grams, and fat, 5 grams. 2. Weight loss. Eggs possess a remarkable blend of protein and fat, which, when consumed daily, can impart a lasting feeling of fullness, reducing the desire for additional food intake. This characteristic can be particularly advantageous during weight loss endeavors. Furthermore, when enjoyed as a breakfast option, eggs contribute to satiety, aid in managing cravings, and promote a healthy metabolism. 3. Boosts immunity. Eggs offer an affordable and energizing way to kickstart your day, and their ease of preparation makes them a convenient source of nourishment and vitality. Additionally, eggs serve as immune boosters due to their abundant array of vitamins and minerals, which contribute to overall well-being. Notably, egg yolks stand out as an excellent source of vitamin D, aiding in a speedy recovery from ailments like the flu and common cold. 4. Produces good cholesterol. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet can contribute to elevated levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, commonly referred to as good cholesterol. HDL plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of stroke, heart disease, and other health complications. Notably, research conducted by the National Library of Medicine, as published on PubMed.gov, indicates that consuming 2 eggs per day over a span of 6 weeks can result in a notable 10% increase in HDL levels. 5. Source of choline. Choline, a derivative of vitamin B and a water-soluble vitamin, offers numerous advantages. It plays a vital role in the creation of signaling molecules in the brain and assists in the formation of cell membranes. A boiled egg is a noteworthy source of choline, containing approximately 147 milligrams, which accounts for 27% of the daily recommended intake established by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. 6. Good for heart. The notion that eggs contribute to heart disease and stroke is merely a myth without any substantial evidence. However, there are reports indicating a potential risk of heart disease in diabetic individuals who regularly consume eggs. It is worth noting that individuals who consume a lower carbohydrate diet while incorporating eggs into their meals have a reduced likelihood of developing heart disease. 7. Good for eyesight. As we age, our eyes can be susceptible to various conditions, underscoring the importance of taking proactive measures to maintain eye health. Including egg yolks in your diet can be beneficial in this regard, as they are rich in antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein. These antioxidants play a role in minimizing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, eggs are a plentiful source of vitamin A, which further supports the health and well-being of your eyes. 8. Good for you. Certain eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have the potential to lower triglyceride levels, a type of lipid fat found in the bloodstream. The optimal triglyceride level is 150 or below, while levels ranging from 150 to 199 are considered borderline high, and levels from 200 to 499 are classified as high. Triglyceride levels of 500 and above are deemed very high. Since omega-3 fatty acids aid in triglyceride reduction, consuming foods rich in this nutrient is crucial. Eggs that contain omega-3 fatty acids present an excellent option, particularly for individuals who are not fond of other omega-3 rich foods such as seeds, nuts, or fish. Eggs offer various health benefits and are even considered a superfood by some, making them an advantageous addition to one's diet. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.